Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. As you all know that SSC paper pattern has changed. Today SCRT Telangana they released new paper pattern for all the subjects. I mean from Telugu to social studies. Here is the paper pattern for mathematics. As you know that the maximum marks are 80 because we have only one paper this year, and the duration of time is, you can see here, the duration is 3 hours 15 minutes, and duration is 3 hours 15 minutes, and maximum marks are 80 marks. You read the instructions carefully, read and understand the question paper, answers the questions under part A on a separate answer book. See here, answer the questions under part A on a separate answer book. Write the answers to the questions under part B on the question paper itself and attach it to the answer book of part A. Part A contains 3 sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3. Write the answers following in the instructions given in each section. So part A, we have part A, subjective, and part B, objective. Part A, it contains 3 sections. Section 1, listen carefully, answer any 6 questions, choosing 3 from each of the following 2 groups, that is A and B. And each question carries 2 marks. Let me explain here. Part A. Section 1. We have 2 groups, Group A. In Group A, you can see here, we have totally 6 questions. In Group A, we have 6 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions. Answer any 6 questions, choosing 3 from each of the following 2 groups, that is Group A and Group B. We have in Group A 6 questions. From these 6 questions, you need to answer any 3 questions. Got it? And also we have Group B. In Group A, totally we have 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As well as in Group B also, we have 6 questions. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Totally we need to answer any 6 questions. Any 6 question. Each question carries 2 marks, totally 12 marks. But here the condition is, in each group minimum you need to answer 3 questions. Here you have to answer minimum 3 questions, and here you need to answer minimum 3 questions. Got it? Don't confuse students. So suppose students will think that I know these all 6 questions, I can attempt these all 6 questions, no need of writing from Group B. It's not correct. If you know, you can, but it goes under choice. So it's compulsory, you need to write minimum 3 questions from each section, but from each group. From Group A, minimum 3 questions you need to write, and from Group B, minimum 3 questions you have to write. Got it? That is our section 1, which carries 12 marks. 6 to the 12. Here you have 3 options. 3 choice, and also here also you have 3 choice. Okay, that is about section 1. Now coming to, let me explain about section 2. In section 2, you can see section 2. Here is the section 2. Section 2. Answer any 4 of the following 8 questions and each question carries 4 marks. Each question carries 4 marks. Let me explain here section 2. Section 2. Totally we need to answer 4 questions. 4 into 4. Each question carries 4 marks. Totally 16 marks. And here they are going to give 8 questions. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally here they are giving 8 questions. So from this you need to answer any 4 questions and each question carries 4 marks. Okay, you can, here there is no group A, group B. So among these 8 you need to write 4 questions and each question carries 4 marks. I mean you need, among 8 we need to answer 4 questions, any 4 question. That is your choice. Any 4 questions you need to answer. I mean here they are giving 4 optionals. Got it? This is about section 2. Now coming to section 3. You can see here section 3. Section 3. Maximum marks are 4 into 8, which is an important section for you. Answer any 4 questions choosing 2 from each of the following 2 groups, that is A and B. Each question carries 8 marks. Each question carries 8 marks. Let me explain this. Section 3. Totally how many questions you need to answer? You need to answer 4 questions and each question carries 8 marks. I mean 4 into 8, that is equal to 32. And in this section you have again group A. It has 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So totally you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally you have 6 questions and we need to choose any 2 from each of the group. I mean out of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need to choose any 2 questions. Yes, which is very good. They gave many options because out of 6 we can write easily 2 questions, right? Yes, again under group B, we have question number 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So totally here also we have 6 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 questions we need to choose any 2 questions, which is a big if you focus on this section 3 you can pass easily because we have many options here. Out of 6 we need to write 2. Here out of 6 we need to write 2. Totally we have to write 4 questions. Each question carries 8 marks. 4 8 are 32. So this is our subjective paper. Totally we have 3 sections, right? Totally we have 3 sections. From section 1 we have 12 marks. Section 1 12 marks. Section 2 16 marks. And section 3 32 marks. Totally how many marks? 8 plus 2 10. 3 plus 1 4 5 6. Totally 60 marks subjective paper. Students, totally 60 marks subjective paper. Section 1 12 marks. Section 2 16 marks. Section 3 32 marks. Section 1 2 marks questions. Section 2 4 marks questions. Section 3 8 marks questions. Out of, see here, out of 12 we need to write 4. Here out of 8 we need to write 4. Here out of 12 we need to write 6. This is about subjective paper. Coming to objective paper. objective paper, you can see here part B, we can say duration is, that is last 30 minutes and maximum marks are 20, right? You can easily pass if you focus on objective also. All questions are to be answered here. Each question carries 1 mark. This is an important point. Each question carries 1 mark and answers to be written in the question paper only. I mean, this is bit paper we called it as, right? Here only, here itself we need to answer, and this paper we need to tie it for answer sheet, right? And marks will not be given for overwriting, rewriting and erased answers. So don't erase it and don't overwrite and rewriting. Write the capital letters of the correct answers in the brackets provided against each question. I mean 20 questions, 20 bits, each bit carries 1 mark, that is 20 marks. You can see here they have given brackets also. They have given 4 options. You need to choose among the 1 option. So got it, students? Part B 20 marks. What about part B? Here we have part B 20 marks, right? Part A 60 marks. Part B 20 marks. I mean bit paper, totally 80 marks. So this is our paper pattern. So you can from today, from this second itself, you can practice very well so that you can score easily good marks, which is a, I hope the paper pattern who prepared, that is from SCRT Telangana subject expert, they prepared very well this question paper. It is very helpful for you all students. Thank you.